Okay, hello and cheers. Now, this is the explanation for what is, in my opinion, the best self-working card trick that you can do. Or at least one of the best. Well, I might be a little bit biased because I came up with it. Or at least it's my version of an older trick. So what you need to do is you need to do a little bit of setup. You need to have the 4 queens and the 4 threes, and then you take any 6 cards from the deck, and this will make up your setup. Now, the first thing you do is you take, for example, the Queen of Hearts, or the Queen of Spades in this case, and you put it in the middle of the deck. That will be the card that you take out in the beginning of the trick to be the lucky or the magic card. Okay? And this is the setup. First you take any 2 threes and you put Queen, Queen and Queen on top of it. Okay? Then you take another 3 and put the 6 cards on top of that, and lastly you put the 3 on top of that. I will put it on the screen somewhere so you can easily see what the setup is, but it's 2 threes, 3 queens, 3 and 6, any 6 cards, and then lastly a 3, and this whole packet goes on the bottom of the deck, just like that. So the bottom card is a 3, and in the upper portion of the deck somewhere is the Queen. So you begin the trick by, I suggest not showing this card, so you take the deck like this and take out the Queen of Spades. You put it there and you say this is the lucky card, and something you say that it's, so you make sure that everybody knows this is the number 12. Okay. Next you say that the spectator can cut about half the cards, shuffle them and take 3 cards out. Okay, so they can do that. Only thing, you make certain that they don't take too much cards, because otherwise they might shuffle the setup which has the 3s and the other stuff in it. Okay, so about half. And I'm going to show the cards. You don't, of course, need to see these cards. And now you start putting the cards in piles. Now this is the thing you need to memorize. The first pile has 12 cards. The second pile has 12 cards. The third pile has 11 cards. And the last pile has all the cards that are left, okay? So you need to count 12 cards in the first, the second piles without the spectators knowing that you're counting. So don't do this. This will look suspicious. So what I do is, and what I did on the video, is I say please look at the faces, that they are all different cards and they are not in any order, and I count 12 cards. How I do this is I show the face like this and I count them in groups of 4. So there's 4 cards here, then I take another 4 cards and another 4 cards, that's 12. And make sure that there are 12 cards here, because if there is 11 or 13 the trick is going to not work. So you do this again, the same thing, 4 and 4 and 4 makes 12, and the last exactly the same, but you take 4, 4 and 3, that makes 11. Okay, and the rest of the deck. Now don't show these cards, because there are going to be the 3s and the queens, so don't show. Instead you can say something like, and the back is also normal. Okay, now what you do is the first card is going to go, you need to do this. You need to place it to 5th position, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, or actually it goes, yeah, it actually goes 6th, so you place it 5 cards down. Okay, so how you do this is you can do it like that, what I showed, just spread the cards and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and place it down, so it's 6th card. Okay, or if it's easier if you say please pick up your card, you give the card to them and you count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 silently and say please put the card back. So now there are going to be 5 cards on top of it. Okay, and that's the 5 cards is part of the setup. Okay, then you ask them to cut any number of cards from here. Don't worry how many cards they cut, even if they cut all of the cards or only 1 card, it doesn't matter, it's still going to work. Now You do this, you as the spectator put it down there, and again they can cut any number of cards. The way this works is it's a mathematical principle, because there is 12, 12 and 11 cards. The cards are going to go, it's still going to be 12 cards in between them, okay? Even if they can cut. So they place the card here, and again they can cut. Now the last thing, you place your own card somewhere in between here, face up, make sure it's face up. And then you ask them to put this card, this packet on top of that, and these packets on top of that, and lastly here, okay? Now you need to make some sort of a joke that I'm going to first find my own card, and you just go here, there, done. Haha, it's funny. But true, that's because you need an excuse to take this card to the top of the deck, okay? Now you put the card here and say something, it's a magic card, and everything is done already. Now you just count 12 cards down. This is 12, so you got 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards down, and the next card here is going to be their card. I don't remember, but I hope it was that. Now you do it again, and count 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this card here is going to be their card. And again you do, but this time you count also 12, but it's not going to be their card, it's going to be the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. Actually I counted 1 too many, but here it's going to be the 3. Now you say something like, the 3 is also magical, a lucky number in some parts of the world. You do something like this, and you count 3. 1, 2, 3, and the next card is going to be their card, okay? Now these 3 cards are going to be the queen, so you only need to do something which a little bit of magic, and of course these are the queens, just like that. Now the 3. The top card of this packet is a 3. The bottom card has always been a 3 since the beginning. This is always, it has not changed. And the top card here is a 3. So the thing you do is just tap here and tap here, place the 3 here, so there is a little space here, and here you turn the 3. At the same time you turn this packet around and turn the last card here. There's all the 3s, there's all the queens, and you found their selected cards. It cannot get any better than this. I'm going to show it one more time. Here is a 3, here 3. So you say tap, 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 little space here, and you do this. It looks good, because it's they can see the 3s very quickly. Just it kind of fits them. Boom, there they are. Okay, now that's it basically.